In this video, we will be learning how to set up your first robotics team in Onshape. To get started, create an email for your team that is not tied to a single individual. This is the email that you are going to use to create your educator plan. Next, go to onshape.com/education and select Create EDU account. A link to this page is provided in the description of this video. When asked to name your classroom, name it after your robotics team. If you would like to upgrade an existing account to the Educator plan instead of creating a new account, you can click on the link labeled Upgrade to an Educator account in the description of the video to put your existing account on the Educator plan. Now that we have our classroom created, we have to add other people to it. Log into your team's Educator account, click the Profile dropdown in the top right corner and select Classroom Settings. In the Users tab, you are able to add new accounts to the classroom via email. If you invite students who do not yet have an Onshape account, they will get an email with sign-up instructions and will automatically join the classroom upon signing up. You can select whether you want an account to be a member or an admin. Admins have the ability to edit, move, and manage all documents in the classroom, while members only have access to what is shared with them. Now let's talk about creating and using documents in your classroom. To access documents owned by a classroom, select your Classrooms filter in the Documents menu. Ownership of a document is determined by what filter you have active on the Documents page when you click the Create button. So if I make a new document with my Classrooms filter open, it will be owned by the classroom. You can transfer ownership of a pre-existing document by right-clicking and selecting Transfer Ownership. You need to own or have admin rights to the document in order to do this. If you would like to maintain ownership of a document but still share it with your robotics team, you can right-click your document, select Share, and then select the Classrooms option. All documents owned by your team are always shared with admins, but in order to share a document with members, you need to right-click the document folder, select Share, and then select the Classrooms option. This is a quick tutorial on how you should set up your first team in Onshape. For a written version of these instructions and some additional information, check out the blog post linked in the description.